Hello, today we are going to talk about plagiarism under the main topic research methodology. So, what is plagiarism? The word plagiarism comes from the Latin word plagiarius, which means kidnapper. Plagiarism is the act of presenting the words, ideas, images, sounds, or the creative expression of others as your own. To steal and pass off without crediting the source as your own is also plagiarism. Do you know that plagiarism can be intentional or unintentional? And you cheat, that means you are a thief. You have made a theft. So, whenever you have to borrow, give credit to others for their original work. We give many excuses that it was just a picture I found online. We have got to get into college. My teachers expect too much. I don't have much time, so I copy and pasted. We use the search engines, Google, Wikipedia, and we copy and paste things. But that is plagiarism. And the consequences can be harsh, like the failure of assignment. Stealing intellectual property rights is an offense as serious as stealing land or property. Do you need to cite everything? The facts that are widely known knowledge, we do not have to cite. The information which is common knowledge needs no citation. So, still, whenever you are in doubt, you have to cite. While discussing your own experiences, observations, and reactions, you don't have to document that. So now the question is, what should we document? While using an original idea from one of your sources, whether a quote or a paraphrase, you have to cite. While summarizing from some other source, while using a factual information that is not common knowledge, or by using a direct quote from the source, or using a date or fact that might be disputed, we have to cite. How to avoid plagiarism? Take note and keep them organized. Give credit for paraphrasing, summary, images, e-texts, online journals, anything. In order to avoid plagiarism, you can produce a shorter or a longer text than the original one. You can write it in your own words. You can use the original author's exact words, but put quotation marks around them. You must include the page number of the source from where you borrowed. And you must introduce the quotes with phrases like, according to ABC, as per the author quotes that. So these are a few ways in which we can avoid plagiarism. Let's find out with examples. Look at example 1 here. The source used is given over here, and the student in her paper writes in inverted commas and gives reference at the end in bracket, and also in the bibliography at the end. What do you think? Is it plagiarized or is it not? Yes, you're right. It's not plagiarism because a proper reference is given over here. Let's see example 2, where the writer has used the exact words but has not put it in inverted commas, has given the reference, but the inverted commas are not here. So, my friend, this is plagiarism. In example 3 here, we have the same thing given over here. The writer has used the similar words, changed it a little to cut short the reference, but the writer has not given any bibliographical reference. Therefore, it will come under the category of plagiarism. In our example 4 here, As you can see, the writer has paraphrased and also given due reference. Therefore, it will not be plagiarized. Thank you so much for watching. The works cited here are SlideShare and some Google images which have randomly been used. Thank you so much for watching.